Hey, my loves. If you're looking for a quick and easy flat twist hairstyle you can do at home, then this one's for you. I'll show you exactly what you need. I know all these simple items you already have at home. So please stay tuned till the end and watch me have this look in less than 10 minutes. So we start by undoing our hair. I always say whenever you're undoing your hair, make sure that you finger detangled it first before you go with any comb in. It's not even a must for you to do a comb. So for me, I just did the finger detangled and then held that hair up. And so we now come to the front. Similarly, we undo our hair in front. I always keep my hair looking like this most of the times because I find it way easier to manage. Next, I went while away from the camera and just had my hair split. I split into the line that I am going to do my first flat twist. I'm not able to do that on camera. The next item is I will now apply some gel on my hair so that it is easy to work with. Again, gel helps it last longer. I find that whenever I use gel, that my hairstyle will last a little bit longer. Then this other item, the clear item that I am applying right now is the wax. The wax is to help the lines just be more clearer, or rather so that you can see them. And also it makes my hair look a bit more neater. So that's why I'm using the wax as well. So next is now we start doing the flat twist. It's very easy. I find flat twist one of the easiest hairstyles to do because what you do is just one hair on top of the other. It's just like the normal twist, but this is a sleeping twist, if I may call it that, because it kind of slips one on top of the other. So basically, you can see the gel is really helping. My hair feels very soft even as I'm working with my hair. I know it is looking as if it is flaking. Yes, it is. The gel flakes, but then once my hair dries up, you will not notice. You will not notice this. So for now, yes, it just flakes, but then later on, you will not notice. So we are to the next flat twist, and again just similarly we've applied our gel, and then again we do the waxing to help the line just become more clearer. You see that I have held the other hair up with the pin so that it just stays in place even as you're working on the other one. So the formula is just very repetitive for you. You just put one hair on top of the other, one hair on top of the other, and then it just makes a sleeping twist, which we commonly call the flat twist. Once we're done with that side, we come to the other side again. Remember, most of the times our edges do not fully get held as you're doing your hair. So this wax will also help us pick all that hair that usually remains. And then see what I'm doing at the end. I'm trying to twist my hair, one hair first, even before I twist them together so that it can hold for longer. And then again, we do the pinning at that side. So we are on to the last flat twist for the day. Once all that hair is done, now what you're going to do is hold the other hair up. I remember we hadn't fully combed it, but now we're using this brush. I love the brush, the shoe brush, that is, sorry. I love the shoe brush because it does a very good job in holding our hair, especially the 4C hair. So I'm going to hold that hair up like that in a bun. Just twice is enough. The hairband, just doing it twice is enough. Please do not make your hair very, very tight. Okay, and then once that is done, we will now just pin that hair up again, because remember we had pinned it but it was not fully done. So this is the time now we are going to pin, and we use 2 pins. I always say these pins are Force's best friends, because you need them, you need them. Look at the flaking, guys. This gel really had flaked a lot. But then the other thing that you're going to do is, now if you have your toothbrush that you usually use here, or whatever you use to just lay your edges, you lay them. Mine were not as many because I had picked so many of them with the wax. So I pick them and just do the edges. You can use your edge control at this point. Then use your scarf, the satin scarf that you have, or a silk scarf, just to hold that in place. And now we are done. This is my look now. I wanted to do something that looks familiar to whatever I'm wearing. So I will be using that clip, and now I was removing my hair and I was wondering, will it look good for the camera? But yeah, it came out looking good. And now it is to accessorize your hair. I say that this is your hair, guys. Just do things that you want to do on this hair. So in this case, I just put that beautiful hairband. I like these hairbands. They always make my hair look cute. And then I'll also be using that hair clip that we decided on, because it looks similar, almost similar to the top that I'm doing today. And that is it, guys. Yay! That's the hairstyle. Very simple, not very many items that I've used on this hair. So yeah, guys, you can do this at home. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Join me in this journey. Bye bye. See you.